Что такое мастерская Лида? Постобработка изображений и видео. Ретушь кожи, изображения и видео. Изменить форму лица и сделать макияж. Создание вашего 2D и 3D аватара. Клонирование и оживление. Короткая CG-анимация для музыкальных видеоклипов, информационных видеороликов и презентаций. Интегрировать в живое видео.
Hello, my name is Yana. The Grand Canyon is a stone with the inscription, shut down your phone, shut up and watch, turn off the phone, shut up and watch. Sometimes we need to do the same with his inner world, to find that it is very cozy, native and favorite place. This is one way to find out what we are. create a world in which you live nice. More nobody for you will create. To nothing to fight but need to indicate your needs exactly. Do not hesitate to do it. I love you. My name's Zap. Welcome to my website.
Life and death. Greedily there comes a time when most of are increasingly thinking about it. What do you think about this?
I love to death. Well, I know how it reacts nervously to the common man. Even from this post I will scatter a bunch of subscribers and it will have little likes because people superstitiously afraid of court and does not understand that just clicks his fear. Death, in the meantime, such as a natural part of life as birth, everything is born, one will die. If you stop hiding from it, rather quickly immune to pain, suffering and indiscriminate horror with which it responds to humanity. And without any coldness. In many cultures, death, cause for celebration, an important stage in the transition. It is important, as in childbirth. Observe in the death of a simple etiquette that will make this transition for the dying more enjoyable. Just like a woman in travail cherish, nurture and pre-stabilize she possible. And then it is much more likely to die with joy and acceptance. And why not? Imagine that you suddenly become nice and easy. Concerns and problems leave you and the people around them rather than to support you, start to roam around with strange faces and silly fuss. That cry is not the place. Obviously feeling sorry for yourself, you will kavote at, tucking a blanket and hiding his eyes. Why do these people behave this way? You ask yourself and worried, because I'm much better.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the quiet village, the lion sleeps
Что такое мастерская Лида?